Welcome to Vijay Prasthan. Welcome to the path of victory. Welcome to 16th Diksha. This journey was started yesterday and we have begun today Vijay Prasthan, the path of victory. I am reporting to you right from Vijay Prasthan Dome at the Sound and Light Show, which already started this morning under the auspicious umbrella and the blessing of our Gurudev Acharya Yug Bhushan Suriji Maharaj, Pandit Maharaj. My friends, share this video. Please do come visit one of the remarkable event happening in Mumbai. Take the opportunity and do visit. Thank you. My friends, I'm going to introduce to you the vision behind this. Of course, our Gurudev, but the point, who is the executor, who made it happen, who did it in 2014 in Ahmedabad, our young guy from corporate world. He's going to talk to you about Vijay Prasthan, Siddharth Bagadia.
Hi friends, welcome here. You are at the dome where Vijay Prasthan has been shown. It is called Vijay Prasthan Auditorium, and we are going to show you the path of winning, which has been stated even before, more than 2,500 years back. It is not just for people who are following the religion, but for the people, youngsters and the corporate world who are working on the one statement: we want to win. And that statement will definitely carry them over here. Please do come.